Okay, here's how you do it. You have to learn this if you're going to be driving this car. Grandma, I think in there. There we go. Let's see if it goes. Is there a start button? Which one of those lighted buttons? Does it go? Whoa! It does go. Drive it, Sebby. Drive it, Sebby. Hang on, boy. Hang on. Whoa! Don't fall out of your car. Drive, Seb. Keep driving. Keep driving. You're not done yet. Not done yet. Whoa. You're in a race. Hold on tight. See ya. Funny boy. Go, Sebby. Hold on tight. Hold on tight, boy. Race car. Whoa, you got a flat tire. Hold on, boy. Whoa, that was a scary ride. Was Sebby scared? Was Sebby boy scared?
No, I am.
That's my boy.